Hello, this is just a very short tutorial on how to find your census date in our computer program. So this is the website for Mitchell. Up here is Employee Portal. We're going to go into that. Once you go into Employee Portal, you're going to go into Self-Service. Self-service is where you put your grades and your attendance, so you should be somewhat familiar with self-service. We're going to go into Faculty. And the first thing that comes up is a list of classes that you are teaching. So I'm going to Summer, and I'm going to use my Summer Business Law 4-week class. So let's look at this class. It will have, when it runs through, it'll have the nomenclature there. And then it will have the census date out here. If you will look, the census for this class is actually the first day of class. This should be interesting. So the class starts on June the 3rd, and the census date is June the 3rd. But if you look, the rest of the census dates are down here for the other classes. I also want to talk a little bit about these numbers in the middle here, just how to interpret them. The number in the middle is the cap for the class. So a 4-week class has a 15 student max. The number here to the left is the availability. So there are 0 seats available, and there are 2 people on the waiting list. Now, let's go down to another one. This says 9 and 30 and 0. 30 is the cap. 9 is what is available. So you got to do the math. There's actually 21 students enrolled. So this is also a good place to see your enrollment. You just got to remember that it's not that 9 students are enrolled. It means that there are 9 empty seats or 9 available seats. And this will tell you where the class is, when it meets, that kind of stuff. So this is actually a fairly good screen to get used to going and taking a look at, because again, you get your census date, and I don't think you can find your census date any other place. And it also gives you an idea of what your enrollment looks like. So I hope that helps. Thanks.